Hi, this is Emilee of Emilee's Paper Caper. I'm here with my channel mascot, Sir Scraps-a-Lot, and his sidekick, Pixie Parchment. I'm doing a video at the request of Lori June over at Sarcastically 60 Something and Beyond. In a recent video, I did a flip through of this book from Grabie. If you'd like to see a complete flip through of this wonderful book, as well as learn how you can save 20%, check out this video that I've linked to right here. Lori June was interested in the making of paper snowflakes. She likes this one in particular, and I'm going to try to create that. I practiced a little bit. These are two examples. Every time you make a paper snowflake, it will turn out differently, and that's half the fun. You can use any paper, but I like to use origami paper for cutting the snowflakes because the paper is very thin. If your paper is not already square, it shows you how to cut it square by creating a triangle and then trimming that excess off. But the origami paper is already a square, so that makes it very easy. So you fold it down into a triangle and then you fold that up again. And I like to turn it with the folded edge on the right. And then what you want to do is fold it in thirds. You want to fold it in thirds so that this edge is against the other edge. It's not the most horrible thing if you don't get the folds exact, because every snowflake in nature is unique and different. The next thing the directions have you do is cut off these tails. And then you can select what design you want to make. And Lori June was interested in this one. It kind of looks like a spider web. One thing you can do is take a pencil and just lightly draw the design. The other option is just to cut away and take a leap of faith, which is what I usually do. But this time I thought I would try actually drawing on there. And make sure you have a nice sharp pair of scissors, and you just want to cut on those lines. This is a fun project for children and adults alike. The children might want a little bit of help if they're very young and not cutting with scissors yet, but this is a nice activity. Then, after you're done cutting, you want to just carefully unfold, and you get to reveal your design. And I really like how it turned out. It could be a spider web, but it also could be a snowflake. And then there's two more that I've done. We'll do one more. And this time I'm not going to use the pencil. I'm just going to freehand cut with my scissors, following this as a guide. I think the unfolding is the best part because you can never tell exactly how things are going to turn out until you've unfolded them. We'll get a notepad so that you can see these better. Which one do you like the best? In the near future, I will probably use these for card backgrounds. Let me know if you have any questions. I always love to hear from you. I hope you have a lot of fun creating some paper snowflakes. Keep on scrapping, stamping, and paper crafting.